Hello everyone, here is Cherry from Guangdong Maoxin. Now what we are watching is the 1.5 meter tangent release bed making machine from Maoxin. The machine with the night length be 1.5 meter. It can produce the max bed width be 1.4 meter and bed length is 2 meter. Such kind of big flat bed. Generally speaking, it's very difficult to control the tangent of this kind of big bag. This is very easy, be out of shape by pull or move while running the machine and make the bed with low quality. In order to solve this problem, Maoxin researched and designed this kind of bed making machine to improve the product quality. In the meanwhile, to achieve tangent release accurately. Yep, the key of the research is non-tangent release. How to achieve it? Our engineer team special designed the heating knife and cutting knife together. While the machine is running, it seal and cut the bed in the same time to avoid any possibility, which may cause the frame be out of shape after pulling. It is suitable for HDPE, CPE, TPE frame very much, which with good tangent. The machine is equipped with a telephoto cell eyes to check the bed width pattern, and the bed feeding part with shaking rollers. It can ensure the frame feeding is smoothly and synchronized. And we can see, and with the click frame device to guarantee the material forward smoothly, and in case the high-speed running will affect the steadily and controlling. And it with the hole punching device on the side. The size of hole can be changed. Some bags need air hole. And the whole machine adopts strong cast iron and steel. It is very strong and heavy. Okay.
And we can see this machine adopted servo motor of 3 kW from front feeding in the high precision servo driver to make sure the frame feeding is steadily in high precision. The application of the frame thickness is around 30 micron to 150 micron.
Okay, let's ask our technician to test the bed performance. 阿富师傅来演示一下那个袋子，然后就开始。Oh, we can see the bed isn't broken under such big pressure. Well, beside the good frame which produced by our frame boring machine, the seating line by this bed making machine is very well. All machines from Maoxin are designed and produced by our experienced technicians and engineers which have many years of experience. Each detail are attentive. Each material is selected by professional. In the meanwhile, we have professional after-sales team to follow up the production situation from assembling to producing with bulk buying our machine. Our machine have sold to many countries such as Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, India, Saudi Arabia, Italy, Myanmar, and so on. They are popular and won good reputation. We produce machines according as ISO 9001 management system, and each machine can pass CE test, and we also have the CE test report. Our product obtained more than 10 patents. We have had great attention and good reputation in dormitory also.